Hello, how are you girls? Let's start our lesson. Today is Tuesday and we are on the 29th of September 2020. Our lesson's title is Keeping Traditional Arabian Crafts Alive. So, what's the meaning of traditional crafts and alive? We are going to find out the meaning of these words in our lesson, so please be with me. Now let's have a look on the outcomes of our lesson. In this class, we are going to identify new words, read a text and complete it, listen to a text and check answers, then answer some comprehension questions. هاي أهداف حصتنا لليوم. Before starting our reading lesson, I want you to identify the meanings of our new words. We have some new words in this lesson. Let's identify the meaning of each word. Please look at this word. We have this word, traditional. Traditional. Say after me, traditional. What's the meaning of traditional? Traditional means done or made in the same way for a long time. Then we have this word, craft. Craft. What's the meaning of a craft? Craft means skill or job in which it's done by the hands. Then we have alive. What's the meaning of alive? It means having life. Then we have this, accessories. Accessories. What's the meaning of accessories? Accessories means items that you wear to look nice. Then we have this, collect. Collect. What's the meaning of collect? Gather or bring together. Also we have these words. We have this word, disabled. Disabled. What's the meaning of disabled? It means someone who cannot use a part of their body properly. Also we have this word, attractive. Attractive. What's the meaning of attractive? Attractive means pleasant to look at. Then we have this word, handmade. Handmade. What's the meaning of handmade? It means made by the hand, not the machine. Then we have this word, municipality. Municipality. What's the meaning of a municipality? It means town or city government that makes decisions on local affairs. Also we have this word, vision. Vision. What's the meaning of vision? Vision means the ability to see or imagine. I want you to write down the words and their meanings on your notebook, please. Dear girls, I want you now to open your books, page 8, and let's have a look on our lesson. Here, look at the picture. What can you see? What can you see? Can you see traditional objects? Okay, now let's have a look on the title. We already discussed this title and I gave you the meaning of traditional, crafts and alive. Now let's go to the other title. Here we have the title, A Woman with a Vision. What's the meaning of vision? Vision means, as I told you before, the ability to see or imagine. Now, let's look at our lesson. Here in this text we have some blanks. فراغات. We should fill the blank with the correct form of the verb. لازم نعبي الفراغات بالشكل الصحيح للفعل. Notice that the verb here is in the past simple tense. Okay, you will use the past simple tense in most of the blanks. Okay, and we took the past simple tense previously. أخذناه قبل هيك. So please read the text and fill the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Now I'm going to play an audio. I want you to listen carefully to the audio. It's about this text, which is about Isam. Okay, to check your answers. رح تسمعوا للنص كامل من خلال هذا الأوديو عشان to check your answers. So please listen carefully and correct your answers.
Module 1, page 8, exercise 2. A woman with a vision.
Hello, welcome to the Halima As-Saadiya Center. I'm Isam. Why did I set up this center? I began collecting traditional objects and clothes 45 years ago because I wanted to save our traditions. 25 years ago, I started my own business. Later, I realized I could also help poor women to start their own businesses. People always liked the traditional clothes that I wore. This is how I got the idea to design clothes, accessories, small bags for mobile phones, small carpets, and furniture. I knew how to make traditional handicrafts because I learnt the skills from my mother and grandmother. I watched my mother work from the time I was 8 years old. My aim, however, is to protect our tradition. I didn't want to keep my knowledge to myself, so I decided to give courses on traditional crafts to poor women. The town municipality also helps me by providing all the materials we need. I also help disabled people by showing them how to make simple but attractive handmade materials, and we all enjoy spending time together.
Here are the answers. Please correct your answers. Now I want you to read the text again and to find from the text تلاقولي من النص 1. A word that means build up or establish. بدي إياكم تلاقولي كلمة that means build up or establish. 2. A word that means start. 3. A word that means items. 4. The opposite of rich. عكس كلمة rich. 5. A word that means keep or preserve. 6. A word that means giving. 7. A word that means objects made by the hand. Okay, we will discuss the answers in our next class. Thank you. Goodbye.